Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you Blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. So what is the work of Blend tool? Let's see. Let's suppose I have two objects. The first is rectangle and second is also rectangle. And you can see that this rectangle has blue color and this rectangle has yellow color. So in order to blend these two objects, I will go in the toolbox of Adobe Illustrator and I will find Blend tool. So as you can see that here we have blend tool, so definitely I will click on this and definitely it is also showing the I am blend tool. So what I do, first I will click on first object, click, and then I will click on second object, and as you can see that now we have blend. Getting me? So this is the work of blend tool, means it blends two objects. Getting me? Definitely this is the work of blend tool, but definitely if you need more options of blend tool, so what you need to do, you need to again go in the toolbox of Adobe Illustrator and you need double click on blend tool. As I do double click, as you can see that now we have blend tool options. The first is spacing, means the space between this first object and second object. Getting me? The space. So definitely here we can tell the space. The first is smooth color, means it will smooth the color like this. And if we say that I want to specify space, if let's suppose if you want to tell the space, you can also tell the space. For example, if you say 10 and if I click on preview, so as you can see that now we have 10 steps. If we say, for example, if we say 4 steps, so you can see that now we have 4 objects, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Getting me? And let's suppose if I say 3, so as you can see that now we have 3 objects. Getting me? So here we can tell the you can say steps. Getting me? So this is, here we are talking about space between one object and second object. Getting one, then a second object. Then what do we have next? We have specified distance, means according to distance give a spacing. Getting me? So according to distance it will determine by its own. Getting me? So the first is smooth color, means smooth color like this. And if we say that step, definitely we can also specify steps. And let's suppose if we specify distance, so according to distance it will give us spacing. Then here we have two options, the orientation. The first is align to page and align to path. Definitely we see now. After this, what I do, I simply click on OK, and as you can see that now we have this blend. We can also change the direction of this blend. For example, if I zoom in a little bit, and as you can see that now we have blue line is coming. So what I do, I simply go in the toolbox of Adobe Illustrator and I will click on pen tool and I will find the path and I click on this, definitely on this path. And what I do, I will zoom. Now I zoom out a little bit so that you can see. And what I do, I will go in the toolbox and I will click on direct selection tool, because you know that if you want to play with points, so you need to use direct selection tool. So definitely I will take direct selection tool and I will click, and as you can see that now I can also change you can say the path of this object as well. Getting me? So definitely with the help of this point I can change the path, I can change the direction, I can do everything. Getting me? So definitely we can also do this you can say pen tool. If I double click on blend tool, so definitely we have two objects. The remaining two objects are not two objects but remaining two options. The first is orientation, that is align to page. This is align to page. And if I say align to path, so you will see a difference. Getting me? So align to path means align to path, according to the path it will go. As you can see that it is going according to the path. But if we say align to page, so definitely align to page is like this. Getting me? So this is the options, these are the options of blend tool. So this was a lecture on blend tool. So I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.